got for the channel. We just got this, and this should make the quality of the videos a ton better. It's just gonna replace my GoPro 3, and it's actually not a GoPro. It's actually the new DJI. You see there, the Osmo Action, and we're just gonna open it up just to see it, and we'll try to get some footage with it. All right, guys. So check it out. That's the brand new Osmo Action from DJI. Now this company is very famous from making drones and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna test it, and especially with the Mustang, what we're gonna be using from now on for drag racing and stuff. The footage should be a lot more crisp and a lot better quality, to be honest. And let's see what we have here. I haven't opened this box. Here we have the battery. Also, I don't know if this is an extra one. I'm guessing it's not. And then you have the sticky, just like a GoPro. It's very similar. And right here, the charging cable. Cool. Alright guys, we're getting to the shop right now. About to pull up, see the car for the first time. And there it is. Alright guys, just picked it up in the shop. And I don't know if you can see that hood, but yeah, it's very shiny. And we'll go around it when we get to the house. I'm gonna put the brand new headlights. The guy was nice enough where he painted the original headlights that the car came with. But just so you see it, the roof. Look at this roof. How faded it looks. It looks horrible, to be honest. Here's your good car. Yeah, same car. Now the car was hit on this side. Right here, see the car was hit here. And let's check that out. It's almost perfect. Still got to buff the paint in order to really make it perfect, but look how different that looks. It's like a total brand new car. So we just gave this car brand new life.